Hey guys, it's Miles with MP Yacht Center, and welcome to the Miami International Boat Show, where I'm standing on the Beneteau Antares 11 Fly. As you come on, you have these massive transom sides that allow an easy board onto the boat. On the starboard side, on a 36-foot boat, you have a flip-down side. It really expands your cockpit area, almost like a balcony. Coming into the cockpit, you have this aft bench seat sectional piece that slides forward on tracks, so when your engines are up, it doesn't interfere with the cowling. And then it slides back when you're out on the water. It just really expands your area for entertaining. You have the option to have a cockpit table, which is then stored underneath in the lazarette. And then here, for us who boat in the Pacific Northwest, you can option the full aft cockpit canopy structure. This is great, really expands your boating off into the off season. As we enter into the Salon, to the port side, we have this nice dinette area with a table that goes up and down, high-low table, as well as opens up so you can really fit, 4 or 5 people around this dinette. You have reverse AC cycle heating and air conditioning all throughout the boat. On the starboard side, this is where we have our galley. You have this nice flush countertop space. You open it up, and then you're paired with the twin burner electric Kenyan stove and your sink. You have a fridge as well as tons of storage space that complement your longer cruising. You have a nice TV so you can sit around the dinette area and enjoy watching the game. Coming up into the helm, you have this awesome comfortable pilot's chair with a flip down bolster so you can stand as well as sit depending on your preference. You have Mercury's joystick capabilities, which is phenomenal if you've never used it before. You have a bow thruster as well as the Fusion upgraded stereo system, zip wake system, as well as a massive Garmin chart plotter as well. Coming on to the port side here, down into the back you have a cabin, so if you have family or your kids, you can stick them down there. It's paired with a queen size bed. As we move forward, over here you have this massive cupboard space as well as a fridge down below. Over to the port side, you have your head. Now this head on a 36-foot boat does have a separate shower, so there is no wet head component on this boat. Coming into the V berth, you have this awesome queen size bed with walk around stairs that can take you all the way to the top. You have massive windows on both the port and the starboard side. You also have this skylight that brings in a lot of natural light into the boat. Let's go upstairs and check out the Flybridge. Up here on the Antares 11 Fly, you have a ton of extra space to use on this 36-foot boat. You have your seating that flips down into a full sunshade, or you can keep it up like it currently is and have this whole dinette area for you to sit, look out on the water, and enjoy your time with your friends. Over here on the starboard side, you have almost a mirror image of the helm down below. Again, you still have your Mercury joystick capabilities, you have your bow thruster as well as your zip wake, and then you have your single smaller Garmin display here, so you at least have some sort of navigation or tech components to your ride up here. Looking forward, their visibility is awesome from up here. You can see well over the bow, even with the front bow shade up. Now, let's go down there and take a look at that. So on the Beneteau Antares 11, you do have the offset cabin. What this allows is to have a wider walkway along the starboard side. This just makes it easier to get up to the bow. Up here at the bow, you have this awesome sunshade with your bow pads. You can sit down, you could read your book. You can get out of the sun, or you can push these down and bring the sun down onto you. You have your skylight down for your V berth, as well as your access to your windlass and your anchor lockers down below. My name is Miles with M&P Yacht Center, and thank you for joining me on this tour of the Beneteau Antares 11 Fly.